This video will show you how to quickly integrate the ecCLOUD management interface into your own management dashboard using the MSP Integration API. First, we've prepared a web page to simulate a customer's management portal. As you can see, there is currently no information displayed under the Property Network section. Now, we'll integrate data from ecCLOUD into this page. Let's begin by logging into the ecCLOUD management interface. Expand the Cloud menu at the top, select Manage Cloud. Choose the cloud you want to integrate. Click API Key in the expanded panel. On the Manage Cloud API Keys page, you'll find two files under MSP Integration API, msp.md and v1.yml. msp.md contains the feature description and installation guide. v1.yml is the open API specification used for API integration. Download both files. In addition to the MSP documentation, you'll also need an MSP API key to authenticate API requests to ecCLOUD. Click Generate to create the API key, then copy and save it for later use. Next, we'll use AI to assist with the development. In this demonstration, we're using ecCLOUD, although you can use any AI coding tool you prefer. First, extract the downloaded MSP documentation. Then, open your AI tool. Upload the MSP documentations and the existing web page source code that the AI will modify, including server.js and customerportal.html to the AI. Then provide the following instruction to the AI. Using the information in msp.md and v1.yml, integrate the ecCLOUD site list and device list into the uploaded web page code, including server.js and customerportal.html. Also identify the required connection parameters, including the base URL for ecCLOUD and the API key. Submit the request and allow the AI to generate the updated code. Once the development is complete, download the modified files. Next, open the backend of the web page you want to modify. In this demo, we're using the backend of our simulated management portal. Upload the AI-generated files to the project folder. You can either upload them directly or use command line tools, depending on your workflow. Now, configure the required connection settings. Base URL. Enter your ecCLOUD URL, then append /APIv2 to the end for API access. API key. Paste the MSP API key you generated earlier. Cloud ID. The number at the end of your ecCLOUD URL is your Cloud ID. In this demonstration, the Cloud ID is 1. After completing the configuration, restart the web service and verify that it is running successfully. Now let's verify that the integration was successful. Return to the simulated management portal and refresh the page. You can now see the list of sites, along with the devices associated with each site. Let's compare the information with ecCLOUD. One of the displayed sites is Friday API, which contains two devices, EAP101-AP01 and EAP101-AP02. Both devices are running firmware version 12.9.0. Returning to the ecCLOUD interface, you can see the same Friday API site with the same two devices and matching firmware version, confirming that the data has been successfully synchronized. That's it. The integration is now complete. With the MSP documentation provided in ecCLOUD and the assistance of AI, you can quickly integrate ecCLOUD data into your existing management portal with minimal development effort. In the previous demo, we used the site and device list as a simple integration example. However, our APIs allow you to integrate a much broader and more complete range of information. Here is a dashboard we created by retrieving data from one of the clouds in ecCLOUD through our APIs. Let's take a quick look at the information available. The overview page provides a snapshot of the entire cloud, including the number of sites and devices, the status of online devices and live clients, as well as visual charts for easier monitoring. Next, under the Traffic Analytics tab, you can view the current live client status and traffic history for each site. You can also switch between sites to review their individual data. The Site Comparison tab shows the total number of devices at each site, how many devices are online, and how many clients are connected. Under Firmware and Health, you can view the firmware distribution across ecCLOUD, along with device health report information. The Device Vitals tab displays detailed information for devices managed under each site, including CPU and memory utilization, AP radio settings, and other device-level data. You can switch between different sites and select individual devices to review their respective information. Next is Live Clients. Here you can view real-time information about the clients connected under the selected site, including the total number of live clients, the number of clients connected to each SSID, and charts showing the clients with the highest download and upload traffic. You can also view detailed connection information for each client, including the connected SSID, device name, individual upload and download traffic, and RSSI. All of these views are generated using data retrieved through the APIs documented in our API manual. With our APIs, you can integrate ecCLOUD data into your own systems, or even create a fully customized dashboard. Instead of managing multiple platforms through separate interfaces, you can bring everything together and manage multiple systems through one unified interface. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support team at ecwifi@edge-core.com.